Today on the Sharon Show, we're discussing whether you should renovate your home before selling or not. Very interesting stuff. Stay tuned. I am asked by sellers so often whether they should renovate or not. And a lot of sellers actually don't even want me to come over because they say, oh my gosh, my house doesn't look good. I don't want you to come look right now. What I tell them is, I don't really care what your house looks like right now. It's what I'm gonna make it look like and get you top dollar. And if you're looking for more money, you want me to come over. So the number one thing I tell people, you usually have to do less to your house than you think you have to do. When I come over, I'm not having you redo your whole kitchen. I'm looking at your kitchen, seeing what aspects are there that would photograph well and that buyers like, and then adding a couple of things to it. You know, sometimes it is just getting it really thoroughly cleaned. Most often, it's just getting rid of some of the clutter so that I can bring in stuff that photographs better. Once in a while, we've had people replace a countertop or, you know, replace knobs, things like that. I would say the most important upgrade to most homes that I go to is paint. Paint changes everything. And the color palette that's most attractive now is neutral. We're kind of back to white walls, which we haven't been for a long time. So when I walk in, if you've got that yellow, gold wall color or red, count on the fact that I'm probably gonna have you paint it. Either way, give us a call. We can give you a strategy and a short list of items that are really gonna add value. And we're talking like, it could be $25,000, $50,000 difference between spending a couple $1,000s and a little bit of time on some repairs or not.